Have a safe trip.
Have a safe
Percy.
trip. Bye-bye. Ingat ka. Oh, may
Ingat ka.
sasabihin daw si Nads.
Oh, mamimiss mo yun. Tingnan mo. Ayan, mamimiss mo yan.
Ayan, mamimiss mo si Nads. Oh.
Walang himala. Pero magkakaimala kung hindi ka tutuloy, Percy. Joke lang. Anyways, mamimiss ka namin. Wala nang joker sa team. We'll miss you. Love you.
Hey, Percy!
We're gonna miss you.
Yes, kung saan ka man naroon, always stay fun.
Vivacious.
Not yet nice.
Ingat ka palagi!
Ingat. And good luck.
Yes.
Stay beautiful. Bye-bye. Mama chup chup.
Percy, have a safe flight. Mamamiss ka namin.
Bon voyage.
Hi, Percy. I would like to thank you sa friendship na binigay mo sa akin. Dito tayo. Tsaka, stay sweet and funny as you are. And good luck sa bago mong career dyan sa isang bansa ka man pupunta. I love you. God bless.
Percy, I'm not gonna say goodbye kasi alam naman natin na we will be seeing each other soon. Baka next year dyan sa Dubai. All I wish is for you to enjoy life. Bakasyon muna bago mag-start ng bagong trabaho. And I hope you all the best dyan sa Dubai. Take care and see you soon.
Hi, Percy! Ay, may extra sa likod ko. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana maging successful ito mo. Dubai. At saka sana yung mga pangarap mo matupad. At may gawa naman ako sa kasiyaan kung magaling ka. At saka, depend up sa parang mag-miss ka na. Bye!
Another summer day has come and gone away from Paris or Rome, but I wanna go home. Maybe surrounded by a million people, I still feel all alone. Just wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one a line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? Well, I would send them, but I know that it's just not enough. My words were cold and flat, and you deserve more than that. Another aeroplane, another sunny place. I'm lucky, I know, but I wanna go home. I got to go home. Let me go home. I'm just too far from where you are. I wanna come home.
Hi, Percy! Take care, ha? Paalis ka na pala. Mamiss kita. Take care always, ha? Keep in touch. Bless you. Ingat kayo, ni Kaiti. I'll always be here. Okay? Bye-bye.